Hello. Yeah, I'm doing a coding video. Oh, goody. Don't mind that thing. Yeah, I haven't really done a actual one. I did the author AI one. And yeah, the Discord bot stuff, yeah, but no. Right, we've been having some problems. So I'm going to be coding a calculator today. Not really anything special. I'm going to my Visual Studio and make something. I don't know. Yeah, I'm also doing this for a Boy Scout project. No, we'll make like a GUI. I'm talking like I'm sassy, but I'm really not. Well, calculator. Okay. Just make sure it's all correct. Calculator. Yeah. I have too many windows open. Oh dear. Oh, this looks so ugly. Let's fix this. So yeah, we'll call it calculator. I thought I was going to edit this video, but I'm not sure how much I'm going to do it, because my talking is just so much fun, and I can't possibly see how long it will take me to make a calculator. And they're also ugly, you know what? Ugh, that is the worst. I'll just make the best color ever, my favorite color. Hashtag 343434, as I like to call it, the perfect gray. And opposite color, as I like to say, D3, D3, D3. We'll just change the font. Turn up to 10. I don't know why I'm making those noises. And what are we going to call this? I can't spell today. Okay. It's going to be called calculator. We need the icon. Luckily, I already have a perfect calculator icon. Now, if you're wondering, no. Well, yes, I'm coding this, but Visual Studio is, visual. You gotta visualize it. And just... what do calculators look like? This looks like a... Why won't it... hate that? It won't put it to the exact dimension. Oh dear. Which one's which? Is it 1,000 and 500? I'm not good at this, I'm sorry. That's what I thought. But then it does that. So I guess we're just going to be stuck with that. And we'll make the minimum size that too. I wonder what else I should do. I guess maximum size. I guess it doesn't really need to get bigger or smaller, So. Okay, I'm being boring. The only thing I just can't stand, why? The default location is, right here. It's not in the center. Really. I don't understand. And I can just stay normal. It doesn't need to be big. What else do we really need? What did I just do? Now, I know it doesn't need a maximize box, but we can have a minimize box. Let's just see what we have. Oh dear. A wonderful calculator that you can't make bigger, and it's not really a good size. What is happening on Discord? Sorry, mute server, disgusting. Okay, so we've done some cool stuff. It's hard. Okay, let's change these dimensions. 500. Now, I know that's not the best number, but if you think about it, okay, no, there's no way we aren't going to keep it at that. No, we have, I mean, okay, sure, it's probably inappropriate, but if you think about it, that is the perfect number for this. This perfect, like unbelievable. Before I forget, let's change the name of this file. It doesn't need to be called form1. Let's call it GU. I always have trouble with naming things. Calculator. And we won't be using any external libraries. I do have a whole calculation thing that I made. It allows you to convert anything to anything. Mostly anything. Mostly anything. Not necessarily, I don't know why I did it, but let's actually start to design something. Just go in properties, let's go in our toolbox. Add some text. I don't know why it's being annoying. Sorry, not even necessary. I don't know why it's not like what it should be. Have we... Okay, whatever. Calculator. Oh my gosh. I wish there was some way to center it, but this looks pretty centered on me, right? Let's see what color we can get here. Let's see, maybe like tomato. I consider myself very good at design, but like I have like a specific color palette that I always use. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I mean, why would the text line be top left? Obviously, it should be middle center, even though it doesn't seem to make a difference over here at all, like whatsoever. Let's actually give it a name, so I'll give it title. Name, anchor. Why is it always top left? I couldn't tell you. So if I start this, so just like a second. It actually has the I-beam over it, but you can't highlight it. We're not going to worry about that right now. Not at all. So, I mean, what does the calculator look like? Okay, let's go in Bing. Oh my gosh. But theirs is like disgusting. We want, like, ew, okay. What does calculator look like on here? Okay, we're gonna copy the GUI. You saw math homework. Okay, we're just gonna like copy this like exactly. I wonder what the dimension of their thing is. Oh, what? That's no fair. Theirs doesn't even appear in the bottom anymore. Well, I guess they have advanced ways that they do it. And like, how do you like? I really can't stand that. Like it has like the white bar on top. Like other things have different colors. I mean, sure, they probably have a custom coded one. Oh dear. Okay, so let's just copy this. Like, so numbers this way. Okay. I mean, we don't need complicated stuff. Okay, so I mean, I have the numbers, decimals, zero, basic calculation, probably pi percentage. Parentheses. Yeah, because this calculator is going to be compute multiple functions. Basically, meaning, for example, like in this thing, I was just doing this earlier. I figured out this like simple eval function for C#. Yes, I'm coding a C#, which it works very well. You type in the math questions like 3 times 5 plus 5 and it equals 20. Minus 5 is 15 plus 5 is 20. Boom, now it's calculating multiple different things. I mean, I wonder what else there is. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. So obviously we have to have like the output box. We'll put this as like a text box that you. No, I feel like we should make it so you can type it. You know, like you can type it now. Okay. Let's get another color here. 272727 is a great color. Border style, none. Disgusting. 4-color, classic. Yeah, I noticed why I calculated start for 0. Okay. Okay, we can do that. You should have it done in the center. But uh, I think this looks the best. Step return, step tap. We don't need any of that. Word wrap? No, there's no multi-line here. We're gonna call this output. I've had a long day today. We'll call that output. Anchor. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Let's see what we have. I feel like I should do like probably a bigger number, probably like 15 or so. And then probably, is there padding? It should be. I guess it doesn't really matter. And then just kind of have it lined up with it. And then, and I think that's good. And then, buttons. This is like a part that takes forever. I'm saying tomato buttons. I'm not sure exactly how it's gonna look, but I think it may look good. I actually like that theme a lot. Okay. Well, I guess since you can't adjust, it doesn't even really matter, but I guess it'd all be aligned to the top anyway. So, so I guess this will be like a, 0. I can't exactly remember how I did it before, but I guess that'll be like 0. Okay. 0. 0. Now it's like change the size of this probably. Usually I do like this size, or do okay. Ooh. This is gonna be like, oh, I'm disgusted. Okay. Okay, this seems like a good size, but we definitely need to up that size in here. Definitely probably gonna make it bold. Probably size 15 too. I'm definitely liking that more. And I'm probably, oh yeah, I forgot before I copy paste that. We definitely want to change it to a button press thing. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess it's like a line diff. And I guess it actually goes down here. And shove these out of the way. We can definitely scale this up or down if we need to. Most likely scaling it down. And I'll probably just like, just like set that thing just so we know. Now we can actually change the name of it later. But have some pizza to eat, and I'll get back to this. Oh dear. Things always seem to be in the way, don't they? Okay. I'll make one each one quick to add to the thing, but users can also directly type in here. So it's not like uncomfortable, you know what I'm saying? Oh dear. Okay. 6, 7, 8. I'll make different buttons different colors too. 9. 9. Okay. Okay, well, that's good. And if you want to see for yourself, so you can just click on all the buttons. You can type in here. Doesn't matter. Doesn't do anything. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna end the recording here, and I'll be back after I eat dinner. So yeah. Okay, I'm back. I'm just changing the margin of these things. It's just so it looks, a bit better. And I wanted to, I definitely wanted to, I want it to look bigger than it actually is. I was looking back at the old calculator I made, and I noticed that I had it as a 500 by 500, so I think I'm probably going to change that. Because it really doesn't need to be anything bigger if you think about it. Actually. Okay, now everything's good. And let's drag these over here. Oh dear. I just move these over here. I'm not sure exactly what I want to put there. I guess I'll just start working on this stuff. I'm not exactly sure what I did before. Okay. Okay, so I put like a minus sign there. I put like negative there. I'll probably do a negative sign here. How did I do it here? Ah. Oh. Oh, I like that. Oh, you don't want to see OBS. Oh, X out of it. Oh, okay. Interesting. Very interesting. But all we need is this, so that works. That will always work. And I'm fine with that. I want to change the color of this. I'm not sure what other colors do we really have. Like a pastel green. I don't know how to spell pastel. I'm liking that. It fits. It fits so well with the tomato. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm definitely gonna keep that. And what is it gonna be? A division symbol. Did I spell division wrong? I did. Okay, well, I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know why I keep making that noise. I don't know why. I don't know why we always have these problems. Okay. Actual division symbol. Might as well just get it right. Oop, I think I need to duplicate that. And all of the. Oop. I guess that doesn't really matter. And we want an actual multiplication symbol. Actual multiplication symbol. An X is X is not that good. Because you see an X here. an X, like compared to the thing, if you see the multiplication symbol, all the sides have equal length, and X is kind of stretched out. Oops, see my math homework again. Math. Math is everywhere. Okay, so I'll change this. So tired of that. Minus. And that. We'll just. And we'll just shove this down here. I need to see what I did. I mean, it's so annoying. Yes. I'm not sure what. Oh, I see complete. I have another row there. Okay. So, okay, I completely see that. How do you think this would good as? Oops, no, not that. I did it again. I don't know what I did. I'm probably going to put that right there. Okay. And I definitely think that this is a much better fit. It definitely seems to be a better size for this. Don't seem to be like having too much space, you know. So, so yeah, I'm probably gonna keep that aside. Anything. It's a pretty even and nice number as well. Why can I not align? Oh yes. Oh yeah, I completely forgot about that problem. And now that should be lined up completely, and we can squeeze things around and fit an extra buttons there. So we need like a clear button. Definitely. I'm definitely liking that. I'm not sure we'll fit the calculator thing, but oh dear. But I guess I can just leave that there for now. And I'll put this as like, oh my gosh. Poppy was like C, and of course we wanted to shift between C and CE because we didn't know C means C means clear, and CE means, I don't know what CE stands for, but I mean it's basically like backspace, like clear the last number. So I'm never going to do that. But if we look at the calculator here, yeah, yeah, it actually has both of them there, which is actually quite interesting. And I think I might actually do something like that. But we need to think smarter. I feel like it's going to be some sort of blue. Now let's just try. I put on a royal blue in here, which I think fits enough. I'm gonna keep with that now. I think we'll change it to white. Oh yeah, I definitely like that. And not sure that's what we'll do. I mean, I guess we put two parentheses, percent civil. I definitely think that will look good. I want a different color. I want the clear button to be like its own color, you know? Looks some sort of yellow. I feel like some sort of yellow. I definitely think a yellow will go good there. Maybe. I think I'm gonna go for gold for now. I'm just gonna copy there for a new color. Put the parentheses there, there, and then a percent sign here. Okay, it's looking good. I'm liking it a lot. And then, in fact, we should see what it looks like. Oh yes. Yeah, I definitely liking the feel of it. And you can easily just type in here as well, you know. So like, yeah, I like it a lot. Okay, I don't know. We can put more buttons later, but I definitely. But one thing we definitely need, which is the enter button. Well, you have to have the enter button. I'm just trying like, don't have the enter button. It's like weird. I would like to do the enter button is a larger button. Equal sign. Quite simple. Now we need to think of a new color. Kind of annoying, but I think it's some sort of. Ooh, not bad. Not bad at all. I think I'm definitely going to stay with that. I'm not sure. I'm not sure which one should we do first. We have to set up as code for each one of these buttons being fast. I mean, I mean, I guess we'll start with 0, right? I forgot. I didn't actually name them. It doesn't even matter, but like, this is my Boy Scout project. With a programming merit badge. I could have done much things so much more advanced in this, but like a Discord bot, like these are inappropriate. Like the Yule Man. Like I cannot do that. Boy Scout thing. So like, okay, so I forgot. Only 0 actually has his name. We need to name all these. Kind of unfortunate, but like, yeah. Negative, 0, decimal, oh dear, division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, 1, 2, 3. I definitely do need some more coding, advanced coding padding. Like, this is not that hard. Yeah, Boy Scout, and like, what is this for the Boy Scout project? And I'm kind of like, well, I might as well record it, you know? Did promise a coding video, so like, here it is. 6. This coding project is definitely not big enough to like do like the time lapses, a devlog series, and all that stuff. Kind of like a talking video of me doing it, you know. Probably like the Discord Bots maybe series, like WW game. I'm really starting to get more plans for that, and we'll probably start development of the game somewhat in the future. Because I have no idea how to make a 3D game, and even less idea on how. I know Unity uses C#. No, I'm coding it from scratch. Because I'm a big boy, and I don't use Unity. All because I don't want that made by Unity or made with Unity intro screen at the beginning of the game. And I can really say, made it all by myself without anyone's help. Yeah, but like, once I figured out that, I already figured out the logic. It's gonna be the original plan I wanted. That way, like, it's gonna be a story mode, but not like what me and Christian plan. Like, we write out the entire story. So there'll be so many different possibilities in M. So it's gonna be an infinite story mode. What am I gonna call these? left. I gotta do it right. Oop. I'm sorry, I have no idea how to spell these. Parentheses. Okay. Oop. Oop, I might as well have a capitalized. I just spelled wrong. Oh, jeez. I wouldn't even notice. I mean, it's so annoying, but, I can't say it if it's not right. Mm-hmm. And then percent. Percent. My favorite equals output title. And, of course, calculator. And, of course, what do you start with? Decimal, right? So, oop, output dot text. No, oh my gosh, this is, really simple. Add a simple char there. It could be a string, but, it's just a single thing, so why not use a char, char is a single character separated in single quotes. Look how simple it is. But, it's actually going to be more complicated, the percent, because, my logic for this, because, if you know coding, percent symbol is used for, the modulus. Never used it before. Doesn't mean percent to something, it's modulus. Don't know how to use it, never used it before. Don't actually, I know, I did use it once in, the pi thing. So, we'll have to code some percent thing. Oh, yeah, we need the special symbols, what, pi, e, pi. Okay, maybe the power stuff. It's supposed to be simple, right? Simple, yeah. Okay, so we did decimal, 0. I'm probably just going to copy this like a template. Yeah, coding is not hard. People think coding oh, it's so hard. Just copying this as a template. Oops. Just because, yeah. Coding is not hard if you really think about it. But, in some ways, the logic and, the time and effort people have to put into stuff makes most people give up anyway, even, even if coding itself is not hard. But, people think, oh, ones and zeros, all this and that, but, if we go down to it, it's just simple functions, in words, if this, do this. If 1 plus a is equal to 3, else if, it's quite simple. Okay, now, well, quite simple is not the exact word for it. Mostly simple. I have no one to really describe coding. I'm the super genius of coding, but I know what I'm doing. I feel like I'm going to make a mistake here. Skip one of skip one of the numbers or something. It's just one of the silly things I do. I don't make the mistakes on the big things. I make the mistakes on the small details, which I think bothers me more. I don't notice it until almost ready to publish it. I'm oh geez. Always like to save. I don't know why I'm doing Control S and pressing the save button. That's just stupid. Okay, so we've done all the numbers. How are we gonna do the negative sign? Now, what I want to do is put a parentheses and a minus, just because. Oh yeah, this is gonna have to be a string. It's gonna have to be a string, because yeah. Wait, I just want to see. Can I just add it to an integer? Oh. Sorry, I can't say it. I want to be proper. The proper methods. 6, 5, and if I'm correct, yeah. Okay. 4, 3, 2. Because if you think about it, these are integers, so they can just be added. The decimal, that's a char. And of course, this is a string, so yeah. Okay, negative, click. Division, click. Add that. Yeah. So of course, I wanted to display the correct division symbol, but in the coding, before it performs actual calculations, you're obviously going to replace this with a slash. I can make it so like if you type it in, so like it's going to support slashes and X symbols, but you can also use like the correct symbols when you press the buttons. Oh dear, I forgot, and now that's not. I might as well just click all of these, you know? I need to copy that multiplication symbol. I might as well type it again. Really, I hate that. Ever.text. Are we having a problem? Oh yeah, just needs to add it. It can't. It can add anything. But yeah, if you want this Boolean, or operator, not Boolean, no, it's like operator takes this and adds this. So, for a simple example, you have like var or something like int a is equal to 8, and of course you can do and instead of doing this, a is equal to a plus 1, and then have an output a, it would equal 9. Instead of saying that a is equal to a plus 1, you can just do a, you can say add a, or add 1 to a. You can also do that for strings, so like a string, like text, and then add text onto the end of it. I'll set up my template again. Not even necessary, but I'm a lazy person, well, in some ways, but I do like typing a lot. Okay. Create button is going to be complicated, but I guess I might as well just get that down now. That. And then finally, that. And it doesn't even really matter what order they're in. Probably going to have some function for there. And then that. And then that. And that. That. Okay, I guess we're going to set up a function now, which is actually quite simple. As I said, just this simple function that I developed earlier. Pretty, I don't know, I can't say common, but like, it's somewhere in there. And you can do, yeah, I don't know why I'm doing that. Doesn't need to be static. Okay, so I can basically output. Why is that first? Output dot text is equal to eval output dot text. I did it again. Quite simple. It's simply going to change the output text to the evaluation of the output text, and obviously it's just going to return NaN for not a number if it's not a number. I mean, super simple. Not necessary. We'll just remove that. I always like to do the tips and do things in a smarter way. Because I mean, like some things, for example, like there's like the switch and case thing made it like so much more simpler than it had to be. Like I would have never thought of that. So like these suggestions are very helpful. Anything I'd recommend I'd recommend a Visual Studio. Okay. So we need to do the clear click. One thing I want to do is have it, most calculators, after you calculate something, you type another number, and it, like, clears it and types a number. So I'm going to do something here. So I'm probably going to have, like, obviously a Boolean, so, like, bool calculated false. I'll probably just get rid of these because not necessary. Oh, yeah, I think I'm going to have to have this for all of it. Probably, oh, no, oh my gosh. Yeah. For all these, I'm gonna have if it is calculate, clear, and then reverse. So I'm probably gonna do like Probably like a public void clear video. And I don't know. I'll probably do. And I'll probably do something like this, or instead of clear, how about this? Try clear. And then all these will always run that function, but it'll only actually clear if the thing. Oh yeah, because it's uppercase. Oh wait, no, it can't be it can't be read only. I forgot. Oh, it's not static. Oh, okay. Guess it was read private. So private basically means you can only access it in this file. Static means you don't need an object reference. I mean all that stuff. There it is. If calculated, which means if this if calculated is true. You have to do this, or I think you have to do that. You you cannot do that. You can do that in other languages. It basically, basically the same thing as equals to, meaning it equals the same thing, but then not only is it equal to that, it's also the exact same type, like data type. Which is interesting. I've never had a, okay, well, I have used that, but it's not like something I use every day. Okay. No, I'm like so unfocused. Okay, so we have to work it. If calculated, oh, oh, that's so annoying, because none of these are static. Which means we will just get rid of the static. Because then these other things are static. So, problem solved. Boom. This annoying. Is equal to... Can we do that? Well, is that actually going to say no? I wonder. And of course, well, it's not that. It's not going to do anything anyway. So, and it's basically what it's going to do the entire time. No, it's like we've... Oh, yes. Oh, yes. No, should I really call it calculator? Okay, so if it just calculated, do that. Oh, yes. And then all these, obviously, is going to be calculated equal to false. And, and obviously, calculator will be true. Calculated is equal to true because it's calculated. And this will reset it. I'm trying to see what it'll be here. It'll probably be like, oh, I'm not sure. Because for example, like the operators, like I don't want it to replace the current thing, you know, because you're probably just adding on to the current answer. Like decimal, I think. Well, no, well, we can worry about that later. But first of all, we're gonna do this. So obviously, it needs to clear before you type the stuff. So like new calculator dot, what is it? Try clear. Because it's not static. If it was static, you could just do this. But since nothing, but you can't use static methods and with non-static other stuff. But static and non-static not good together. And we can simply do that for all of these. Very simple. And the smart IntelliSense is going to do it, and I can apply it to all those things, and it made it ugly. Really, get smart. Ugh, really. I'm just being picky. Doesn't even matter at all whatsoever. Just doing it because I can, and you know what it did? It did it to all these things that don't actually need it. Of course. Now, okay, wait, we're probably gonna have it for this one. I definitely want it gone for this. No, I don't want it. If I'm removing it from there, why do you suggest that I add out there? Obviously, I don't want that. And you put it everywhere. Thank you so much. Oh, actually, we do need it here, so. Okay, we need it there. Oh, good. At least I didn't put it for the equals correct. I was about to be like, really? Okay. And the query itself, I'll put dot text is equal to null, which may or may not work. We have to just do it to like just empty quotation. Which means this not what I wanted to do. Not unnecessary. Why would you ever want to make it so when someone clicks on the title? Well, actually, all the time instead of using buttons, I actually use like text and just make it when you click on. Okay, good. Automatically removed it. And let's see what we have so far. Start this. Let's hope we don't have something stupid. One. Okay. It's a very, very simple fix. One thing I just noticed. Oh, wait. Never mind. That's not going to be a problem. To make it replace that 0 when it first started, we're going to say that when it first turns on, it has just calculated. Tricking it. Tricky. That did not work. But we see what the problem is. Okay, calculator is true. You click it, try clear. Mine just bring it all the way down there. If calculator is true, yes, output.text. It is that. It's setting output. And that is the problem, which I knew would be a problem, actually. Where's the clear thing? I think that's a problem. I don't know, like, I don't want it to be like some stupid problem. Whatever, doesn't matter. 7, let's just see if the output calculator works. 10 plus 8 equal 15. I mean, not hard at all. Actually, want me to see this? I'm not sure what the problem is. It's so hard to, like, debug stuff like this. It's probably some stupid mistake I'm making. If calculator is true, I'm wasting so much time now. If calculator is true, which it is, which means it's going to do that. What is your problem? Why would I want to? Oh my gosh. So it's going to do that. Calculated output.text is equal to false. Okay, that makes perfect sense. Okay, but we can't worry about that, but we need to actually have the calculator working. 7. Okay, we can do our classic thing. 3 times 5 plus 5 equal to 3. Okay, well, 8. Okay, why did they do that? 3. Oh, no, okay, no, it's completely fine. Because I forgot, we need to remove these symbols before it calculates. And you see that's actually a thing that needs to be fixed. question is equal to, I wish there was something like easier to do that. Replace old char and oh dear, new char. We can probably just do another dot replace right in that one. And then that gets rid of all the things. You can just like extend these out forever. So like you can do dot replace again. And you can just do that. That. And boom. And boom. Now multiplication worked. No problem. 8 times 8. Boom. No problem at all. Divided by 8 equals 8. I'm not sure why that calculator thing is not working. It's probably some stupid, and you can also do it one. You can also do like, I don't know, 10 times 10. Oh yes, I need to fix that. Okay, I need to fix that. When you press enter, isn't there some simple way to do that? For example, like a accept button equals. And now, okay, and now we should be able to do this. When you click on other person, yeah, just like, it does not work at all. Which means we're going to get rid of this accept button, and just put it on, and make it so if you press the button, I forgot what it was. It was like key down. So we're probably gonna do like what key press, key. I think most people use key down, but if e dot what is it? I have no idea how to do this. If key char, I have no. I just put like the character, but okay, we need to test this. Output dot text is equal to e dot key char. So yeah, we wanted to add it. Now you see what this does. In fact, it's actually a great method. Because this means whenever you type it, it's going to automatically add the thing. Which also means 1 plus 2. Oh no, it doesn't actually do it. 1. I'm actually quite liking that. But what about like, I haven't done this before. Detect key. So stupid. Oh, it's right at the top. C sharp. Okay, it's key code. And then that's like an E now. And we're definitely doing that. If E dot key it's probably with the key down. So annoying. Okay, but the key press is definitely worth it, because it does that. It's really useful. I'll just have to add another one. Key down. If E dot key. What was it? Okay, so it's key code. Don't need that anymore. See, it's so easy. If key dot key code equal to keys that enter. Oh yes, oh yes. Wait, I just want to make it equals function. Public static calculate, and we put like string value or something like that. Let me do this. Let me do this. Calculate. Oh, so annoying. Per dot text. It's taking longer than expected. I wonder how long this has been going. Oop, this should not be static. New calculator. Dot calculate. Quite simple. Which also means we can do this right here. And we can reuse this equals thing somewhere else. If you need to change it, we need to change it there. Which means whenever you press the enter key, it should do that. Hopefully. So like 7 plus sorry plus 7 plus 8. Oh my gosh. Oh dear. Not sure what went wrong there. But this no longer works. Now we have to figure out why that does not work. Oh. Plus means this does not need anything. Oh dear. Which means I guess we can just do value. Ah yes. Hot reload. 8 plus. I don't know why it doesn't work. Maybe if we why are functions not working? Is it because of this? Because they aren't static? Is that gonna cause a problem? Get out of here. Static void calculate. Oh yeah, that got cause errors. You know, we're just going to. Why is there still an error? What's this? Whatever. Also, no static here. And you know what we're just gonna do? Functions are being weird today. So we're just not going to have any functions. Quite simple. Really. What's the problem now? How does output not exist? Okay, no issues there. Alright. Okay, but this was working. So let's do... Oh dear, we're having problems. Fix the problem, fix the problem. Why does it say output doesn't exist? And then... I'm not sure what the problem is. Ah, my... We're running the problems too. Is that why it wasn't working? No, but then... Whatever. And we'll just... let's see how this works. Always see if it... Okay. Yeah. I feel like if I do something else, like... Maybe... keys.c... or calculate... Like, the enter key is always the problem, so like... Yeah, I mean, even like, without that, like, it doesn't matter what you do. So, like, the key down thing is just not worth it at all. Like, neither of these are really worth it at all, so... I'll just get rid of those. Okay, we need to stop adding extra things. We need to just get onto the actual thing. So what doesn't work? Oh, let's see what we can do about that. We'll just try to find like one number, for example, like... so we'll try to find 0. Instead of that, how reload. No, that's not a good example. But we'll also put it here. Like, if you press 1, and there's no problem. So it's something with the function. I forgot, what's the problem? Oh, yeah. I can make that static. That doesn't throw an error. Oh, yeah. Oh, because of that. Isn't there some way to get around that? No, there's not. It's so annoying. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna be very, very lazy. We're just gonna have a file that stores true or false in it. It's so stupid, but it works. So that's what I care about. File that right. Oh yeah, it has to do this in something. So probably with like this. We'll just have it. Oh, at the top, yeah, and that throws an error. Oh my. Because now all these things are wrong. Until I put this here. And then all problems have been solved. Oh yeah, because these are all there because like that. So like, file dot write alt text. Why can't I make this static? Static. Lol. And there's no problem. So I couldn't. Which means, can't I just do that? Oh, and then I can't do that. Is that the problem? Is this something I can get around that, like... I mean, like, public... Can I... Clear. And then that. And output dot text equal to nothing. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. This is so annoying, you know? Oops, we got parentheses there. And there's no arguments there. Let's get rid of that. Problem solved. And this way we don't even need a file. All we need is just that being annoying. Well, actually, no, we don't need that being annoying. I didn't even do this here. Was that the problem why it wasn't working? I wonder. I wonder about something. Okay. I can see if this works here. Okay, we'll get rid of these. And this way I can easily prove it works. It's taking a lot of extra time I didn't want. But you know, don't do anything there right now. No errors as expected, and there's still an error. And where is the error coming from? At line 51. Let's see where this error is. I don't think that's a problem there. Go to code. Oh, we all know why that's causing the problem. Cross-contamination, you can call it. And what was the clear thing? New calculator dot clear underscore. Boom. And I can easily see if the clear method works. And that doesn't work. I don't know why it doesn't work, but it doesn't work, which means we're going to have to go back to the drawing board. Or actually, let's at least see, like, so we can, like, 9, 9. It does not work at all. This is not a hard problem. And yeah, make it a hard problem. Oh, but we have that problem. Which means, I mean, like, we're just gonna copy and paste it for each one. That's simple. Very simple, actually. If file dot read all text calculated dot whatever $sign is equal to true output dot text is equal to nothing, which I think we can do now. I think the problem was before it wasn't working. And then problem solved. We just paste after all these things. It was already the text that we want to do this. Part 12 suggestions. Complete fine with that. This doesn't need anything. Text equals null. No problems at all. File. Write all text. Calculated dot true. And right at the beginning, we'd always when it turns on. File dot write all text. Calculated is equal to true. Oops. What am I doing? Why am I doing that? So weird. And I forgot that we need to do this. So now we need to fix this. And redo the entire thing here. To detect, we want to do that pretty soon. Should have done it for all of them. We can do that now. 10 suggestions. Looks good to me. See if it works. Better work. Boom. Plus a. But then, for example, like 5 plus 6 equal to 11 plus 9. Wait, what? Oh. And one thing. Well, and one thing, we can fix that simple problem by putting. We'll always do that after. Although if the percent. Why do they even have that for the percent click? That is like so stupid. Okay. And now this should be fine. So like 5 plus 6, 11 plus 9 equals 20. So like I take something, it clears it. So like 5. It's like 5 plus 5 plus, and before when I click another number, it would replace it anyway, but now it doesn't. Which means this is actually looking pretty good. 5 times 3 plus 5 equal to 20. I'm actually really liking this. Not much else I think I want to add, but we might want to fix that. Probably want to add the pi symbol in there. Definitely. So probably like 2 extra symbols here. Pi and E. Now what color should we put here? Not really sure which ones we want. Oops. What did I do? Oop, I don't want to pixel starships. No, I want to search pi, not pixel starships. And there we go. No one wants to see that infinite thing going forever. Those look so stupid on here. Those look so stupid. But I guess we'll have to deal with it. E doesn't matter. Oh, and I am bleeding. Oop, we can worry about that later. Oh, now I need to think of another color that fits here. Oh. Oh, but no, but it's so close to like the tomato. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. I think it's gonna conclude it very soon. But first, obviously these need to work. So pi e. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, let's see. Have like pi here, e here. I also need to copy the pi here. Oh, where dot text pi. Oop, wrong one. Wrong one. I'll put e there. And what I need to do here. To lower. Makes it always lowercase. It doesn't matter if people put in uppercase c or lowercase c. Dot replace. Oh dear. I guess you can do with this. Pi with what's it called? Int dot. Oh, it's math.pi. Ah, dot toString. Is that not gonna work? Okay, so this is gonna have to be a string. And problem solved. We'll have to do that for E. Replace E. Oh yeah. We'll just have to move this and put that right at the beginning there. Make it lowercase before, so don't need to place E with math dot E dot toString. And now we have more things. Oh yeah, so I didn't add that. I hate this so much. Obviously these are now my calculation symbols. I need to replace that. Oh, it's fine. I really like how it is. E equals to E. Pi equals to boom. And I really like this. And as you can see, they also replaced the 0 when you first started. An unhandled exception. Yeah, because it's already running. Okay, we just need to fix that text. Not sure what I want to do there exactly. Not sure what I want to do here either. But I definitely want to make this like a. Oh yeah, that makes sense. I'm gonna make this like a super big thing, like I don't know, 30. It's so stupid. Boom. I mean, I actually kind of like it. It's pretty funny. We never did that backspace thing, did we? So really the backspace thing works is, as soon as you type something, this goes from C to CE, and it will just do a backspace. It won't clear the entire thing. But I think what I'll do is actually have this split up, so there's a C and a CE, and the CE will always do that. Wait. And what happens if you do? So, obviously, 0 is equal to 0. We'll just do some fine tuning in it. So I do not want this. Let's see. If, or, no, we'll just have it like, if expression equal, no, if string that is null or empty expression return null. And this way, if it's empty, it won't return any n. But like, if you type in a, obviously it's going to do that. But that's just going to return null. So it doesn't need to return anything. Okay, like this. I didn't figure out the percent symbol thing. But because it just says a modulus. So I'm gonna be cheaty and just replace the percent. And then just replace this percent with royal blue. May or may not be taking inspiration again. May or may not be. May or may not be. Think what past it. And that backspace. Okay. And then came out exactly why I did this, but we're just going to go to inspiration again. Moon cow, that's yeah. Oh, oh, oh. I should have just did here before. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. We gotta do that. So annoying. Very annoying. %, quick. And just as it was before. We can get rid of that. % quick. And what did I do here? This is % with divided by 100. Okay, just divide by 100. Now replace % with divided by 100. And that is what a regular % does. And what does it have for the backspace thing? Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and it's a square root thing. I actually like that. You'll probably add a square root. Mm-hmm. And then a clear thing. So that's our simple thing. And we set up some logic. So with a clear click, probably something. Okay. Text is equal to output dot text. Mm-hmm. Simple. Mm-hmm. And if it just calculated something, clear it, else, and else is do that, but then either way, and then I can just do move this, and just have it do that anyway. What was it? Clear dot text is equal to mm-hmm. And now it's and then that should be it. Not needing to do anything else. And it just says that. Oh yeah, okay. I want to see this. If string dot is nowhere empty, output return, and now we won't have that problem. And then there's where, and then all of a sudden it goes back to that. Because that's not right. I'm trying to think. Obviously, after you clear, that should go to backspace. And then, and then, oh yeah, And as soon as you do the equals thing, then it should do that. And then that should work properly now. So for us, A is equal to that. In fact, I think I should probably do that right now. Oh, instead of having a return, no. This might matter. I think we've done a pretty good job. But a square root would be nice. So I think we're gonna try and do that. Not sure why, but I'm going to try and do that. Okay. got a square symbol. There's SQRT. Not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with that. That can just stay there for now. And I'm not sure. Well, I guess square is basically like equal sign. So it's going to do the exact same thing as equals quick. Except for the fact that it's going to do math dot square root this and oh wait, that should be double dot parse. So it's going to turn into a double and then calculate the square root at toString. This is a crazy thing. Oh gosh, what have I created? Boom. Boom. I mean, it's so good even. It's working exactly like I wanted. And then you press clear, and then it shifts back to the thing. So actually, I thought there was a problem with that, but there's not a problem. Calculate square root, it has pi. You can even do I you can do -1 plus 5. And it works properly. So pi equals. There's one thing that's also you can do 8 pi, and it's just going to put the 8 in front of 3. So I think I don't know how to solve that problem. Can't think of but you wouldn't usually use it like that. For example, 10 times e is equal to whatever. And then so 9% is equal to 0.9, which is not going to work unless you do 9%. Not sure. Not sure what that number is. But it's something. So I actually kind of like how to calculate things there, but I think I'm actually going to put this logo, It's this calculator there, But this is but if you think about it, this is a really full calculator. I mean, think about it has everything. It's like a picture box. It has all the logic that we want. We're gonna have some problems here, aren't we? So we can have maybe, I don't know, 50, 50. Okay, 100, 100. We can definitely fit it. So we want 100 times 100. Yeah, it's gonna be annoying. Oh, you can just have it stretch, can't we? That's math. Boom. Import math. Where is it? What's in mine? Math. Okay. Stretch image. Oh yeah, the stretch image. Then you can technically have it any size you want. And we can just, I don't know, shift that over till it looks like it fits perfectly. And then all I have to do is just, fit this. Because, like, why would I have those random images? Because it's really put directly into the exe file, so there's no way I can do it wrong. Can't not have the thing. Works fine. Now let's look at our wonderful calculator in full. I like this. I like this a lot. Very, very, very nice. I like this. I think we've done a good job, don't you? I mean, you look at this. I mean, for our final product, I think this looks really good. You know, like 0.3 plus 0.2, 0.5. I worked flawlessly. I'm being serious about this. Like, I don't see any problems anywhere with it. You got the logo in it. Okay. I definitely make it so you can drag it around everywhere. I'm just going to be lazy. Documents, code projects. Don't I have something here? Yes, I do. Some simple code will steal. Stealing is a strong word, isn't it? Well, it is mine, so it doesn't even matter. Paste that there. You can pick the pound by simply creating a point. I find it so funny, so it's like point, and then, oh dear, and spell that right. Point. Oh my gosh, stop it. Point. System.drawing. And then now we don't have a pound. All I need to do is just simply set this here. GUI underscore down. No. Let's see the fix problem here. Oh my. Calculator underscore down. Just me being picky. Move, and then the same thing with this. Don't know how this is going to work, but it should work. And now if we start this, we can also move it anywhere. Yay! Doesn't really do anything. Just so we can, I definitely like this. Because like, it's so much easier. It's like, sure, you should keep this anyway. So like, minimize X as a title. You can, do stuff like that. But also, like, you can drag it up. And there's also, this allows you to, like, when I move and it's click down, it saves the point if it moves it to that point. I also made it so, like, the image acts like that's part of the background. So even when you click over the image, you're like, the buttons don't allow you to do that. So, like, yeah. I'm not sure. I'm very happy with it. I don't think it could have turned out much better than it did. Because, like, as I said, there was no problems with it whatsoever. So, like, yeah. So, like, let's just sit in the Reese one and have it build it. Build it in, like, a second. From the recent files. I should just go to open file location just to get us over here. Calculator. Now it should be end of release section, and I forgot the most important part of the entire thing. To actually set the actual icon, which we didn't do, which is idiotic. Very stupid of me. Build. Application. Where's that? Where's that? Where's like that? Where's that? There's no like. Whatever. Whatever. Okay, let's just build. But we'll just have it build in both versions just because. And you see now it has its icon. I'll also have it build in debug because. Why not? Okay, it's successfully built. We don't need that. And now we can successfully click on it. And we have our thing. You can see I calculated thing move. So I calculated true, I passed something, boom, equals true, pass something, false. Quite simple. Works quite well. Just curious, why have I delete this? This is like a configuration for us, so it's not necessary, right? No problems at all. Boom. Here's our final product. And I am happy with it. Okay. Well, there it is. Okay, that's due to my already working that. And here is our final product. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, we did a coding thing. This took a long time to do, much more time than I would have expected it. So thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, see you soon in another video.